In this video, we will be making a delicious cup of mango lassi. Here is a cup of mango lassi that you can enjoy in the summer. Hope you like it. Now we are peeling the mango. Okay, we are now cutting the mango into pieces like this. So be careful with your hand, right? So after that, what we do is we will be chopping these to small pieces. So you can roughly cut the mango to small pieces like this, right? The cuts doesn't have to be neat. You just chop up the mango like this, right? Anyway, we are going to blend all the things together, so it doesn't matter. It just makes the blending process a little bit easier. So yeah, just chop it as you like. Something like this would do. Right. Okay, now let's add all the mangoes to the mixture like this. Right. It's very slippery, so be careful. Right. I'm going to add the mangoes. Alright, so we added all the mangoes to our mixture. As you can see here, we add 2 tablespoons of sugar like this on top of the mangoes. Next, we are going to add milk. So here I'm using 2 cups of milk. Right, here we go. Next up is to blend this mixture. Okay, next I'm going to put the lid back on. Alright, we are finally ready. So we will blend this mixture for about 40 seconds. And now we are ready to serve. So serve this as quickly as you make it, because sometimes the enzymes in the mango might react with the milk. So it's better tasting if we serve this as soon as we made this, right? It's very delicious. So you can try this at home and let me know what you think about this in the comments. So thank you very much for watching this video.